one of my favorite things is there are 24-hour gas pumps just like self-serve for your car. I didn't even know about this till recently, so if you're out after hours and marinas are closed, I'm going to show you some of my favorite spots to get gas before and after hours. Now, right now, I'm at the 5-Star Boat Center, which is right next to Ben Watts on the east side of Grayslake Lake. So one thing I learned the hard way, when you look at the pump, make sure that it's turned off. Last time I came here, the pump was down here and this one's still on. I wanted 10 gallons, well somebody already put 5, and so it started at 5. So make sure the pump is reset before you start. Little tip there. Pretty simple, just follow the directions on the pump, enter boat user ID or insert card. I'm gonna go for A for dollars, and I'm gonna put in just a short day, so we're gonna go to a couple more pumps. I'm gonna put in $35 worth of gas. Enter, and then I hit the yes. Do I want a receipt? I always want a receipt. I want to make sure what I was billed for. Dialing my credit card, pretty simple, and you pump your gas. Turn it on up. All right, we're here just past the Grayslake Bridge, heading into Grayslake, Port of Blarney's, headed towards Blarney's Island. I'm not sure 100%, maybe somebody can comment in the comments below, but there's a self-serve card reader. I'm not sure about this sign. No dispensary other than anyone other than the attendant. So there is a card reader. You could probably get your own gas. I'm not sure. If you know for sure, put in the comments below. Thanks. All right, so now we moved down the river. We're about just before the bridge, just before the no wake zone. We're at Munson Marine, so another self-serve gas station. This one is very easy. You probably saw my video about going down to Buddy's for breakfast. Well, on Sunday mornings, what we like to do is we go get breakfast on the way back. We pull right in. They got nice cushions here. This couldn't be an easier place in the world. They have dock girls come up, grab your boat, take your credit card, pump your gas for you. But outside of those hours, self-serve. Sometimes I'm out fishing at 6 in the morning. I'm a little low on gas, I didn't plan ahead. Well, I can pull in, put my credit card in, and pump myself some gas. Just like filling your car, put it in and pump away. This is a good thing to know out in the chain.